Dear students, in this lesson, periodic classification of elements, we are going to learn about the basis of the modern periodic law and its development, features of groups and periods of the table, then the trend in periodic properties along the periods groups. What is an element? An element is made up of one kind of atoms only. For example, hydrogen H2 made up of two hydrogen atoms. Chlorine made up of chlorine atoms only. And then iron, aluminium, copper. So these are all elements made up of only one kind of atom. This lesson periodic classification of elements is the continuation of the modern periodic table in standard 9th. Now let us have the idea what are the basis of the modern periodic law and its development. By 1860, scientists had discovered 60 elements and their atomic numbers, and they also noticed that they had similar properties and hence arranged them into groups. But later on, several new elements were discovered. These elements were found to have different properties. So it was realized that instead of studying the properties of all these elements individually, it would be more convenient if they are divided into groups and periods. So scientists made several attempts to arrange elements in a logical way. There comes Mendeleev's periodic table. But there was some discrepancies which were difficult to overcome. For example, atomic mass of argon is greater than the atomic number of potassium, but argon comes before potassium in the periodic table. So, if elements were arranged according to increasing atomic mass, argon will come in the position of the potassium. So, no chemist would place argon, a gas with a no tendency to react in the same group of lithium and sodium. So the kind of discrepancies suggested that some fundamental property other than atomic mass, that is atomic number. So something that could not have been known by Mendeleev and his contemporaries are atomic number. Hence Moseley, the British scientist, 1912 discovered the new property of elements called atomic number. There comes modern periodic law. What is modern periodic law? The physical and chemical properties of the elements are the periodic functions of their atomic numbers, not atomic mass. So you have to underline atomic numbers. What is an atomic number? Atomic number is nothing but number of protons or number of electrons. Next, what is modern periodic table? The modern periodic table is a tabular arrangement of elements in periods and groups, highlighting the regular repetition of properties of the elements. So, periods and groups. What are periods? What are groups? The horizontal rows are called periods. The vertical columns are from the top to bottom are called groups. There are 18 groups in the periodic table. Now let us see about the features of periods. There are 7 periods. First period is the shortest period as it contains only 2 elements, hydrogen and helium, atomic number 1 and 2. Then the second and third period are called short period. Second period starts from the atomic number 3 to 10, contains 8 elements, lithium to neon. Third period starts from the atomic number 11 to 18, contains 8 elements, sodium to argon. Fourth and fifth period contains 18 elements and they are called as long period. This includes 8 representative elements and 10 transition elements. In the fourth period starts from the elements potassium to krypton. Fifth period rubidium to xenon. Then next is the sixth and seventh period. These periods are called as longest period because it contains 32 elements, atomic number 55 to 86, cesium to radon. This includes 8 representative elements, 10 transition elements and 14 inner transition elements. Seventh period atomic number from 87 to 118. This period also accommodates 32 elements. But recently 4 elements have been included by IUPAC. Next, features of groups. Based on the common characteristics of elements in each group, they can be grouped as various families. First group from hydrogen to francium is called as alkali metals. Second group beryllium to radium is alkaline earth metals. Then groups 3 to 12 are called transition element metals. Then group 13 boron family, 14 carbon family, 15 nitrogen family, 16 oxygen family or chalcogen family. Group 17 is called as halogens and group 18 is noble gases because the elements present in the 18 groups are inactive and they are inert, they are called as noble gases. The lanthanides and actinides which form part of the group 3 are called as inner transition elements which are placed separately in the periodic table, modern periodic table at the bottom of the table. And you can see that the shape of the periodic table may be somewhat like the Tamil letter Pa, just like that. Except group 18, all the elements present in the group have same number of electrons in their valence cell. For example, group 1, alkali metals have only one electron in the valence cell, and so the valency of the alkali metals is 1. And also, as the elements in a group have identical valence cell, the electronic configuration, they possesses similar chemical properties. The physical properties like melting point, boiling point, and density along the groups vary gradually. The atoms of the group 18 elements have stable electronic configuration as they have their valence shells are filled